Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to insert a degree symbol like 90 degree, 85 degree, 65 degree like that on your Google Sheet mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a degree symbol in Google Sheet mobile like a 42 degree, 52 degree, 62 degree. So I just opened this. So here in the first cell I just need to enter 62 degree. So 62, type as 62. Then you just need to press on the number key. I just using Google keyboard. You don't have any insert symbol option present in the Google Sheet mobile. So instead of that you can use your keyboard. Here I just using Google keyboard. So after clicking on this number section, you just want to click the equal section again, so you can find this and click OK. The same process you can just repeat it. So 52 degree, so click on this number section, click on this equal section again, and you will see this option. And this is how you just insert a degree symbol on your Google Sheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.